baseball. Let's go. Let's go to our first Yankees game of the season. I'm so excited. This is my outfit. I am honestly so excited. I'm going with 9 girls who I've never met before. Come along with me. Time for us to go to the US Open. This is a long time coming. This is over a year in the making because I didn't get to go last year. We're going today and we're gonna meet some new girls as well. This weekend is all about just meeting new people and I'm so happy. Last night was so fun. I'm already late to get to the US Open. It's in Queens. Tennis attire is so fun and I really wanted to lean in. So I got this tennis dress. Everything, I'll link it down below always, but this tennis dress is so cute. Looks like tennis bracelet on. I never wear it, but I was like, I'm going to a tennis event. Let me wear a tennis bracelet. And then for shoes, I was like, I need to wear something flat, but I didn't want to wear socks. I'm wearing my Supergas. I have an all white look on, which I literally never do. Let's go to the US Open. I also can't bring my vlog camera, but I'm going to be vlogging on my phone. I'm in Woodside right now. I missed my train by a minute. I was so frustrated, but it's okay. I was just apparently not supposed to get on that train. It's super warm. I am in the US Open. This is so cool. There's so many fun things happening. Found where I need to go. First one ever. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh wait, that's so good. Wait, and these are melons, right? Hello. We're at the US Open and this is Claudia. She hosted this amazing event. It's so fun. Like you just get to walk around and drink and watch. Yeah. Thank you. Very expensive. I did get a meal card because I completed a course, and now we're gonna go find the girls. I'm back. I did a lot of reflecting today about how taking time away from work and always needing to be on it with capturing content and present with the people who I'm with, that's more important to me. At least today really showed me that, and actually this whole weekend so far. And I love that I'm meeting so many new people. So the US Open, which was so freaking fun. For anyone interested in going to the US Open, there's a fan week, which is happening right now as I'm filming this. And I'm so happy that I got to attend. They're free tickets and you get to watch these amazing players play. And I got to see Coco Gauff today and that was just so surreal. We spent hours and hours there and did not get bored. It was really hot there as well. Everything's pricey there. It's basically like festival concert prices, so you know, that's not really a shocker. It'd be fun to hang out with the girls as well. This is the cup that the Honeydeuce came in. This is the cocktail cup. US Open 2024, and then it has every single US Open champion since it started. Whole Foods to pick up some things. A immunity shot. I wanted to try these. These looked really good. I actually love white peaches, like kind of niche. I got 3 flavors of poppy because I didn't have any more poppy. Whole Foods has like a brown butter chocolate chip cookie mix that they sell. Oh me, I love my cookies. Like, this vlog so far, I already know it's like all over the place, slash I haven't really talked a lot. It's been a lot of scenic things, which is fun too. I mean, I'm literally just living. I'm just living. I have to take my liquid IV. Been having a big drinking weekend, you know, going out and having fun, but when I'm home, I need to recharge, sleep, drink a lot of water, take my vitamins, all that good stuff. It's so good with this flavor. These are the viral Whole Foods cookies. They're good. They still taste like a cookie, but the ingredients taste cleaner, if that makes sense. Happy Sunday. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. I clean this apartment before I do anything else. The apartment is so dirty. It's scary. Alexa, play Spotify. So when they say Sunday's best, is this what it means? We're ready for church. On the verge of being tardy, so I'm gonna make this quick. Here is the outfit. I wanted to wear this white dress. I've been wearing a lot of white lately. It's a pretty white dress with a lot of lace detailing, cream purse, cream heels, and even cream claw clip. Really channeling the light neutrals today. I will link this outfit down below. I always link my outfits. The people who know, I always link my outfits, but there are some things that I got like over a year ago, like this dress. So if I find it, I will link it, but I'll link the accessories if anyone's curious about that. I did really simple makeup as well. Just got off the train, about to get to church. Hi, thank you. NK? We're ready to go out again on the same day. We're going on a little field trip to Brooklyn. What is it called? Strong Rope Brewery in Red Hook, Brooklyn. That was a mouthful. I've been wanting to go here for a very long time, but because it's so far away, like it's pretty out of the way. My storage was full of my camera. So like I was saying, it's pretty far out of the way. I could go by myself at any point in time because I'm an independent girl, but there's an event hosted here by a few girls who some have met, some I've never met. So I'm gonna venture to Brooklyn. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm gonna bring my vlog camera. I'm gonna take some clips and show you guys a little bit of Red Hook, Brooklyn. I feel like whenever I put on a baseball hat, it's a little sporty. My baggy dad jeans, that went viral last year. And I have my New Balances. Let's go spend a Sunday afternoon in Brooklyn. That was a very long train ride, but we are in Red Hook. It's about a 5-minute walk to the brewery. It's so sunny right now. Excited to have a beer flight. This area is just known for like really chill vibes. They have this key lime pie place that I want to try. I don't even like key lime pie like that, but I think I'm gonna try it so I can let you guys know. Oh my god, the lighting. So I can let you guys know if I like it. Oh, I can already see it. Oh, it looks like such a vibe. This place is primarily popular because it's literally right by the water, so we're gonna have a nice water view. And we're at Strong Rope Brewery.
I really like it. It's really cute. It's a nice view. I was saying it's good for people that are visiting from out of town.
Yes.
And then just want to see the Statue of Liberty.
I mean, because literally we have an unobstructed view of the Statue of Liberty. And the bartender said that this place gets really busy on the weekends, which makes sense. Wow, that is really good.
I'm excited.
It's such a nice beach.
Yeah,
so
that's
underrated.
What everyone says.
Honestly,
like,
yeah.
what? I didn't realize there was.
Alexa, set timer for 25 minutes.
And I do think, like, I want my kids, whatever, we have to be able to be like, no, let's be aware.
Matching me with people. All of you and then I stop backing up then. We just are starting to get so funny. Yeah, you can call it who can't.
Taste test. Barbecue pulled pork with sweet potatoes and pickles and coleslaw. Hot. Oh shit. Oh, that's good.